hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the neighborhood. Oh, don't you know when you say hello, you make the world feel oh so good.
Listen up and say hello.
Listen up and say hello.
Time to get your telephone.
Time to get your telephone.
This is why we shout and sing.
This is why we shout and sing.
To let you hear your phone ring.
To let you hear your phone ring.
Say it loud.
Hello.
Let me hear it.
Hello.
Let me hear it.
Hello.
How does RingtoneFeeder work? Well, basically, you go to ringtonefeeder.com, you choose from one of our subscription types, you're transferred to PayPal to complete the transaction, you get a username and password, you click on the link and iTunes opens up, and ringtones come automatically. For more details or even try a free demo, visit www.ringtonefeeder.com. Don't have an iPhone? Check out ringtonefeeder.com/onetone for more information.